Hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. This is Legion, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a flying kick in Unity. So starting off with our video, I have my monk character here, and I'm going to make an empty game object. I'm going to make this called kick point, right? And this is basically where the kick starts, so I'm just going to put it here for now. And then I'm going to make the animation for the kick. So I'm just going to create a new clip. I'm going to go to the animations, and here I'm going to write monk kick. Okay, so if you want to know how to make animations, I will leave a description, the link at the top right of the screen. So going over to my Gothic Vania sprites, I have the player and I have my kick. Where is it? So I will leave the link for the Gothic Vania church back in the link in the description down below. Now I'm going to drag all of those. I'm going to drag them here. Oh, okay, sorry. I'm going to select the first one and click shift and then the last one, and then drag and drop them here. I'm going to spread this at, let's say, 20. And now I'm going to play this animation so you can see I put my kick point just like there. Okay, so this is great. Now going over to the animator, I'm going to make a trigger and I'm going to call it kick, and pay attention to the capital, so the K is capital. And going over to monk kick 1, I'm going to make a transition from the first state, any state I mean, to monk kick, and then from monk kick to monk idle. So from this here, I'm going to make the transition duration equal to 0, as well as putting the trigger kick. Why isn't it clicking? Okay, again, and kick. And going from the transition from monk kick to monk idle, I'm going to make an exit time. I'm going to put this as 1. I'm going to put the transition duration to 0. Now this is all we need to do for the in the editor right now. Now heading to my script, the player script, I've already made videos about this script. I'll leave, so I got movement as well as a punch, so I will leave the links at the top right of the screen. Now starting off, I'm going to make a serialized field so we can edit this value in the editor without making it public. And I'm going to write float and kick range. And going down there, I'm going to make a serialized field called kick point, and this is basically a game object, right? And I will do the last thing. I'm going to go down there and I'm going to take the input from the user. So going to the input.getKey space. Now this, I'm going to write if input.getKey keycode dot space and attacked, basically not attacked, and not is grounded. So if you want to know how to make this is grounded function, I've already made a video about jumping and detecting collision. I'll leave the link at the top right of the screen. I said this too much, right? I said it many times. Okay, yeah, just check my videos. Okay, it's good. Now I'm going to write start coroutine and I'm going to call it kick. I didn't make this coroutine yet, so I'm going to go and create it right now. There is something, okay, I didn't actually make it. So going down there, I'm going to write enumerator kick, and I'm going to basically copy this entire code down there, and I'm going to just modify this is not attack point. This is okay, it just stopped responding for whatever reason. Dude, I'm recording a video. Okay, thank you. I'm going to go and write kick point dot transform dot position, and here it's not attack range, it's kick range, and the enemy layer is the same. So you can check this code. I will just explain it briefly. I already explained this in the previous video, but here you are just going to get an array of colliders. I'm going to call it enemies, and this overlap circle is going to get every single enemy in this circle. So this circle starts from the kick point or transform dot position. So this is the origin, this is the radius of the circle, and this is the enemy layer to get detected, right? So enemies, this can only hit enemies. And for each collider, if the enemy is equal to wizard or whatever enemy tag your enemy has, it's going to destroy the enemy.game object. And here is going to set a trigger, but this time it's called kick, and this would be left the same. Now I will just save. As well as I want to show you something I forgot to make it in the previous video. It's called onDraw gizmos. So here I'm going to write gizmos dot draw wire sphere, right? So what this is going to basically just draw a physical representation of our range of attacking in the editor, so we can just modify it as we can see it in the editor. So here I'm just going to pass my draw wire sphere, dude. Okay, wire sphere. Now here I'm going to just write the vector c center. So the center is the kick point dot transform dot position, and the range is the kick range, right? And now I'm going to save. So this is going to draw the circle in which the attack range, our attack range is, right? So because it takes the kick point to transform the position just like the overlap circle, as well as the range just like the range. Now I'm going to go to the Unity editor, and I'm going to set up my variables here. I'm going to drag my kick point to the kick point, and I'm going to put the range as, let's say, 0.5, and you can see it just appeared in the editor. So I want to see if it fits, right? I'm going to go to the kick, and I'm going to, okay, so it fits, but I want it a little bit bigger, so let's say 0.8. so this is quite fine. Okay, this is great. So this should be working, right? I already put every single variable, and I'm going to run the game. So now I'm just going to go to my, you can see I can hit while I am grounded, it just bunches, right? I'm going to go over, and you can see if I jumped again, it just do this kick instead of punch. Now I'm going to go down there, and boom. So I just want to say something. Don't go over the enemies like this and do this, right? Because it registers your input at the moment you just clicked on that button. Don't take for the animation, right? The animation just a visual representation for the player. You are the developer, not the player. So you need to attack to basically put the enemy in the range of this, wait a second, this sphere right there. So going down there, I'm going to wait while I am in range. Boom. Oh, sorry. You get the idea, right? You need to hit when it's basically press the space bar when it's in range of this sphere on the editor. So again, I'm just going to run like this, and boom, you see it didn't work, and boom, it worked. So this is how to make a flying kick in Unity. If you found this video informative, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. I suggest you check my older videos as well. They are really fine. I'm just good at this. I'm too humble, So okay guys, thank you for watching, and peace out.